DUNU is officially out with another earphone now. This is the DUNU KIMA. That's a brand new single dynamic driver earphone. It's equipped with a 10mm dual cavity dynamic driver on each side. This driver features the largest generation diamond-like carbon diaphragm here, so it's really a well-made dynamic driver. There is a very good build to the outer shell, even without the design of the driver. The outer shell is very good. The other thing again is that it does have a QDC design to it, so it's not like the old or the normal DUNU products where it's just regular 2-pin connection. So maybe if you're not a fan of QDC, I'm not always a huge fan of QDC connectors, you can maybe look at something else, but this is just having that sort of design that should be interesting for users, especially people that like QDC like connectors. So what are we looking at? The DUNU KIMA is designed to be very effective for most ears, in the sense that it can fit most ears. At least the angle and the shape, the way they made it, they're saying that it should be able to work pretty well with a lot of ears, and it has a very good ergonomic shape, in the sense that most ears will not feel that pressure wearing it. It's just that I've not always been a fan with QDC shapes. Now the dynamic driver is large enough to produce good bass, but it's if you look at the graph, you can see that it's neutralish. It's neutralish in its tuning, that there is no major elevation in the bass region. It's almost a neutral tuned earphone, and that's the only concern I have about this sort of earphone, because many earphones already out there are all neutral. So another neutral set, I don't know. DUNU bundles the KIMA with a high quality silver plated single crystal copper cable. It has a Litz braided structure. It's 2-pin, but it's in a QDC design form. In terms of frequency response, it goes down to 5 Hz, extends to 40 kHz. Impedance is 32 ohms. It has a sensitivity of 108 decibels, which is really good. I don't think anybody would have any complaint whatsoever about what the DUNU KIMA can do. It has an aluminum zinc alloy design for the outer shell. I think a lot of people would be happy with the design. I think a lot of people will be happy with the design and what they can expect from the product in general. So look, I think it's a nice new release. I think it's a nice new release that would be pleasing for audiophiles, people that want to test out a new product, test out a new earphone, and see if it's something that it would really be the thing for them in general, because different earphones do suit different listeners. But from the graph I've seen already, I can tell this is another neutral set. I don't know if it will perform better than what's already out there. But as for price is it's affordable. It's $100. Just $100 is the price tag. With that price, I think many people can check it out. Can buy and check it out. It's just that it seems like it's going to be another neutral set that people will have to see or just check out and see if it is something that they would like or appreciate. So I'm going to drop all the details about the new DUNU KIMA in the description if you want to have a look at it. So subscribe to the channel, like our content. I'll see you guys next.